Hello everyone! Welcome back to Elders Tech Emporium. Next up, we have the wireless bed alarm system, priced at $124.95, specially designed for seniors living with Alzheimer's or dementia. The product includes a 10 inches x 30 inches cordless weight-sensing bed alarm pad. The pad is impervious to fluids and can detect bedside movement from up to 300 feet away. The system ensures the caregiver is notified as soon as the individual gets up from bed. The remote alert monitor can be placed in a convenient location for effective wireless monitoring with a range up to 300 feet. The product includes 10 individual cleaning wipes to assist with cleaning the pad, and the package also includes a Liberty 7-day pill box. Safety made simple, made smart caregiver.